Forget what you've been told about AI automation. OpenAI's AgentKit just launched. But is it a true N8N killer? If you're dreaming of building your next SaaS with AI agents, stop and watch this, because picking the wrong tool can doom your project before you even launch. Stay with me for the answer that could literally save you weeks, maybe even months of work. Hey friends, I'm Zero, and today I'm doing the deep dive nobody else is sharing. We're putting OpenAI AgentKit head-to-head with N8N. As someone who builds AI tools, SaaS apps, and automation projects for a living, I chase the no-code hype, only to find some major roadblocks hidden in plain sight. If you want to launch AI-driven SaaS or automate business workflows, this breakdown is for you. What we compare in this video: ease of use, triggers and integrations, AI model flexibility, UI deployment, and SaaS products, hard truths and real use cases. Can you actually build and sell a real product with AgentKit or N8N? And most important, when and why you choose each. Section 1. Ease of use. Let's start with pure speed and simplicity. OpenAI AgentKit feels like Canva for agents. A drag-and-drop canvas, visual node connections, and workflows up in minutes. I loaded it up, built a simple web search agent, and had it answering questions, all before finishing my coffee. N8N. It's a powerhouse, but it's clearly built for people who want flexibility and don't mind a learning curve. You'll see dozens of nodes, triggers, and settings. If you're already deep into automation, N8N feels like home. For newbies, it can be intimidating. Section 2. Triggers and integrations. Next, what actually kicks off your automation? AgentKit is mostly about chat and API triggers. Good for conversational flows. But you can't run background automations based on schedules, emails, app events, or webhooks without extra plumbing. In contrast, N8N can trigger on almost anything: SMTP, file changes, calendar invites, Slack posts, webhooks, and more. This opens up true 24/7 automation. Think SaaS that just works for your users while you sleep. And integrations. Here's the showstopper. AgentKit gives you tools for OpenAI, a few MCP servers, and basic webs. But N8N connects out of the box to 500 plus SaaS apps, plus any public API via HTTP request. If you're automating beyond OpenAI, N8N is your playground. Section 3. AI model flexibility. Let's talk about models. AgentKit is OpenAI-centered. Choose from OpenAI models, set tweaks, and focus on user experience. But if you want Anthropic, Google, or custom LLMs, you're out of luck, at least for now. N8N. It's open. Route prompts to OpenAI, Anthropic, Google, or even open source models via OpenRouter, all without switching platforms. For SaaS, this is huge. You keep your pricing, flexibility, and can swap out LLMs as needed. Section 4. UI deployment, SaaS products. Now for the big SaaS question. Can you build and sell a scalable SaaS product purely on AgentKit? AgentKit strengths: you get embeddable ChatKit widgets. Great for spinning up branded chat interfaces in your app or website. Fast. The platform is cloud-hosted, so there's no server setup, and you stay focused on user experience. It's ideal for agentic copilots, support bots, internal business tools, and anything where you need users to interact directly with an AI. Limitations for SaaS builders. You're locked into OpenAI models and infrastructure, no advanced triggers, limited workflow extensions, and minimal event-based automation outside chat. Pricing and SLAS are still evolving, critical for SaaS scaling. You can't fully customize hosting, data storage, or front-end integration beyond ChatKit. You'll need your own back-end, database, billing, and user management. AgentKit alone won't run multi-tenant SaaS. Think of it as a core AI engine, not an all-in-one SaaS builder. N8N for SaaS. Massive triggers/integrations enable full-fledged SaaS automation. Onboarding, billing, notifications, multi-step flows, back-end logic. Self-hosting and cloud deployment give you total control over data, privacy, and scaling. But you'll need to build or connect your own front end, since N8N targets back-end logic, not end-user UIs. Section 5. Hard truths and real use cases. AgentKit is perfect for launching agentic assistants, research tools, or internal co-pilots fast, especially inside the OpenAI ecosystem. For customer-facing, multi-tenant SaaS, you need a whole stack: user auth, persistent databases, custom UIs, billing, and backend automations. AgentKit boosts AI features, but isn't a turnkey SaaS builder. N8N is best for workflow-heavy SaaS, custom backend logic, integrations, and advanced triggers, ideally paired with your own front-end or AgentKit's widgets for user chat. If you found this deep dive helpful, drop a comment with your SaaS idea or use case. Let's brainstorm how to launch it together. Subscribe for more hands-on, honest breakdowns of AI platforms and SaaS growth.